This fire effect took me less than a minute to create in Photoshop, and I am going to show you exactly how. Most people struggle with fire brushes because they are using them the wrong way. In this video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to use a fire brush in Photoshop step by step. Even if you have never tried this before, you will be able to follow along. First, you need to start with a background. The darker, the better. Fire brushes work best on dark backgrounds, so keep that in mind before you start. Add a new layer and select a fire brush from the fire brush set in our pack. Then choose a color close to yellow or orange. One single click will do the job. Now change the layer blending mode to screen and duplicate that layer. Take the top layer and switch its blending mode to color dodge. This is where the fire starts to come alive. Next, add a new layer and set it to screen. Grab the soft, round brush and lower the opacity. Softly paint a subtle, light source underneath the fire to make it glow naturally. Finally, add one more layer set to color dodge and repeat the same soft painting process. This adds depth and makes the fire look more realistic and dimensional. And that is how you create an epic fire effect in Photoshop using our brush pack. Stick around for the rest of the video where I show you how to use this in real artwork scenarios.